Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a common task: how to send XRP from Kucoin to Metamask in 2025. With the crypto landscape changing rapidly, managing your assets securely is more important than ever. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into XRP, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. First off, let's get prepared. Make sure you have a Kucoin account with XRP in it and Metamask installed on your browser. Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based networks, so for XRP, which runs on the XRP ledger, you'll need to use a bridged or wrapped version of XRP if you're sending it directly. Start by opening Metamask and ensuring it's set to the correct network, perhaps Ethereum mainnet if you're dealing with wrapped XRP. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallets section and locate your XRP balance. Double-check that you have enough XRP to cover any withdrawal fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Step 2. Click on Withdraw next to your XRP. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. This is where things get tricky. Copy your Metamask wallet address from the Metamask extension. If you're using wrapped XRP, ensure it's the Ethereum address. Paste it in, and select the XRP network for the withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the details carefully to avoid errors. Step 3. Confirm the withdrawal on Kucoin. You'll likely need to complete a 2FA verification for security. Once submitted, the transaction will process, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on the network. After the transfer, check your Metamask wallet to confirm the XRP has arrived. If it's wrapped XRP, it should show up as an ERC20 token. Always double-check transaction fees and use a blockchain explorer to track your transfer for peace of mind. There you have it. That's how you send XRP from Kucoin to Metamask in 2025. Remember, crypto involves risks, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there.